Hi, this is Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to Education Plus, a show where we try to bring in the institutional perspective to the discourse around education and, more importantly, education technology. Our today's guest comes from pre-primary schooling, preschooling, which is called, or early education, as it is also mentioned in the new education policy, and comes with a hefty experience of 18 years. She's a preschool teacher, teacher trainer, teaching aid experts, and educationist. Please welcome Ms. Sonal Judge. Welcome, ma'am, to Underpublished Magazine.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a wonderful opportunity to be connected with people like you.
We are, grateful to have you. So, ma'am, as I just, mentioned in the introduction, that you have over 18 years of experience
Yes.
in, pre-primary and primary, schooling. So, and you have, done your research work. We'll come to that later. Please,
Okay.
first of all, talk about your experience in this industry.
So it is like I was in college and I was about to do dietetics. So I just lost one mark, not being able to do dietetics, and I had to take up this teaching. But it was not my cup of tea, as you say. But I think God had planned something very beautiful for me to be able to educate the young learners who really need the education. And when I actually landed myself in that area, so it was a beautiful opportunity for me to be connected with beautiful souls who really want in-depth learning of the ground level. So when I started teaching from 1994, that is from playgroup or something, that is the area where I found that yeah, this is my real calling in. So
Right.
I started my journey from there, and from there on, continuing to today, it is I think more than 24 plus years now, if you see. But with little breaks in my career, it is 18 plus years.
Okay.
So this is
That's
the
wonderful, ma'am.
journey.
That's wonderful. So, you have done your research work and you have, ideated, over the years, and you have come up with certain, terminology for it as well for your research. It's called skillogogy, right? Skillogogy. So, please tell us, about what is it about?
Skillagogy is actually, I would like to ask you, do you know anything about that word skillagogy? Can
No,
you
ma'am.
just know? So it is like, I think this pandemic has made me realize that there is something missing in the education system
Yeah.
because the parents are so in a rush to take up degrees and qualification, and they don't look upon the child. And when the child grows up and when the child is lacking in some skills or something, to
Yeah.
be able to accept life's challenges, that is the area where the learning parameters are finding deficiency in. So in this pandemic, I think when the lockdown started in March or something, that was a real time I started my research work, and my 24 years of experience along with skills and pedagogy, you can say the skills
Yeah.
part and the pedagogy part, combining all the lesson plans and curriculum, and my 24 years of experience were blended together to make skillogogy. That is skills plus pedagogy will combine to become a skillogogy. That is how you can combine the lesson plans, the curriculum, and as well at the same time you can infuse the skills part inside. For example, if you're teaching a concept to a child about transportation, so it's not just about a car or an auto, or it has wheels, or it has just tires, or it has a driver who is going to drive. Beyond that also there is a lot of learning hidden behind these basic parameters. So that is when we actually adapt to the ground level, zero level. That is when we tell the child, how does the bus run, where does the bus run. So the child starts doing action, this is the way the bus runs. So that is when you know that the child is able to pick up the learning that is being taught in the class. So in
Right.
the same way, each and every lesson plan is blended into skills. If you have a fruit concept or something, the fruit concept is taken into a fruit chair activity in the class, so that the child is able to do the non-gas cooking in the house also.
Wow.
So the fruits and the knowledge of the fruits, the edible fruits and the non-edible fruits, the color of the fruits, as well as the cooking activity, all blend to become skillogogy. So
Right.
that is activity at home, done in the school, involving the child, participate in the activity, helping him to accept that being messy is also good when he start mixing the fruits with the hands, blending all the flavors together. And
Right.
that is when the child knows this is a wonderful activity and I can make it at home also.
Yeah.
I don't need gas. I don't need my parents also. You just chop fruits or something. So at the same time, three combinations together combine into one lesson plan. The
Yeah.
colors, the fruits, as well as the cooking activity all merge together to become
Wow.
a skillogogy.
That's
So in
wonderful.
the
So many
same, yeah,
things. Yeah.
yeah. So even for good habits and good manners also. You can fuse skills in between. If
Yeah.
you, when you teach a child about myself, it is not just about I go to this and XYZ school. My name is so and so. Beyond that, tell the child to come out, introduce himself well. Because when the child goes out in the market with the parents, and if he meets an unknown stranger or a known stranger, and somebody asks the child, "What is your name?" the child will not shy away and hide behind the parents. So when the teachers start using these kinds of skills in the class, helping the child to come out of a cocoon and to be able to open up and say, even if the child is saying in a broken words, let him do it, because that is experiential learning actually, where the child is building up confidence and self-esteem to introduce himself herself. So
Right.
myself, good habits, hygiene, all these things are combined to become skillogogy.
That's wonderful, ma'am.
So
So in a
yeah,
way, you're not just facilitating learning, you're creating
no,
new
yeah,
models of learning as well.
definitely. It is like helping the child to use the knowledge learned in the class and
Yeah,
in the school to use that same learning in the life outside of school.
correct. And they can also see that everything is connected. They're not
Definitely,
existing in
definitely.
isolation.
When we talk about coding, it is
Yeah,
not about coding academically. Coding is here also. Like
yeah,
connect the dots, help a child to connect the dots, to introduce himself, to say little words,
yeah,
and that at that same time the child is opening up to say a little bit of vocabulary,
yeah,
formation of sentences, the pronouns that I and she. I am a boy, I have to say he. I am a girl, I have to say she. So
correct.
these things, when you start inculcating at the age of 3 years, that is the real milestone years. That is my strong
Yeah,
expertise. That is the right time where the solid foundations for higher excellence in
correct.
life is built.
Correct, ma'am. And but ma'am, even nowadays I see that people don't understand the concept of preschooling. They think that it's another industry created and this or that. So would you say that preschooling is about connecting the dots, or giving students that model where they can grasp any knowledge and late in their later years can connect those dots?
Definitely. This question I've been asked in around 20 sessions because parents are at home. So
Yeah,
now they are the educators at home. And educators are at home, they are the parents too. So
yeah.
combine both the things, they become edu parents.
Edu parents. That's
Edu
wonderful, ma'am.
parents, because just qualification and acquiring degrees will not make you a expert teacher to be
Yeah,
able to come down to the level of a child and start teaching. You need to have to adapt to the new techniques of the learning also.
yeah.
Unless you learn what are the expertise in teaching a 3-year-old, you will not be able to come down to the level of the child. And when the parents have started working from home, a lot of frustration has been built in them. They are not able to cope up, they are not able to build in relationships at home because of the
Right.
tension created at home, and the child is the victim over there. That is where the learning parameters find their, you can say the learning is lagging behind,
Yeah.
because the parents are not able to come up to that level to teach the child at that particular moment with that expertise.
Correct,
So
ma'am. Correct.
when they say this कि ये business है और ये commercial है, that is a very wrong concept, and not to expect from an educated parents saying this kind of things.
Absolutely. There needs
So
to be more awareness
normally,
regarding this.
yeah,
Yeah.
so normally I try to educate the parent, remove this concept from your mind and start pushing your, don't put your child in a mother toddler program, don't put your child in a small nursery where you just want to get rid of the child for 1.5 hours and do your own work.
Sadly, yes. Yeah.
Nothing. If you have given birth to a child, it is your priority to help him build the basic foundational years from 0 years to 8 years.
True. Absolutely, ma'am.
If you're not able to give that time, it's no use bringing the child into the world. That is what I
And
believe.
absolutely correct, ma'am. But I was reading this report, and yesterday, which came out in the Hindu, about preschooling. It said that during the pandemic, the preschooling of young kids was not on the priority list of many people. So it took a significant hit. And the parents you're talking about are that are living in, let's say, urban settings. But what about the rest of the India, which I don't think clearly understands the importance of preschooling?
This is a wonderful question that you have asked. Here, I would like to tell you, I was working in a government school for 2 years.
Okay.
The school had no pencil, no rubbers, no erasers, nothing. So that is the area. It was like it was actually drowning into the sea and learning to swim on your own. So my 20 years of 23 years of 24 years of experience came into hand. The international system of schooling or the national system of schooling, blending all the technology and the expertise of when we were learning when the technology was not there. So that is when the pandemic has given rise to virtual learning system along with the teaching aids virtually. So that is the time when I realized that now the NGO is not going to provide us with anything, and the children are from very low backgrounds. You can see
Right.
they are not from higher privilege sector, and that is what 88 children were under me for 2 years. So I was like, it was an opportunity in disguise for me. Okay, jo bhi hai, I am not supposed to bother about my income. I am not supposed to bother about my pay package.
Right.
Even if I am offering peanuts, I am ready to take the peanuts.
That's
But
wonderful, man.
these 88 children are my life, and I have to educate them no matter whatever comes my way. So that is when I took all the trash from home, converted into teaching aids, confused them into the
Right.
teaching aids, into lesson plans, the using the all the smart learning techniques. Smart is not just being a smart child. Smart is
Yeah.
about all the acronyms of the smart broken into different words. Like for S is for skills, M is for mastery of the learning, then A is for art, whether the child is able to do the art that you have taught in the class. Then we have the R, the resiliency and the resourcefulness of the child, and T is for talent. Unless and until the child starts adopting these things, it becomes a smart child. So
Yeah.
these kinds of strategies are needed by the teachers to adapt to the self resourcing methods,
Right.
because when we depend on Alexa for TV, we depend on artificial intelligence. The
Yeah.
artificial intelligence inside us only. We just need to have that zinc, the zeal, and the X factor to come out of the Pandora box and start using the skills, converting into wonderful teaching aids. You
Yeah.
don't have to go out. You don't have to buy expensive items. You don't have to buy momentary just for 2 hours. Okay, ये चीज हमने खरीद ली और ये
Yeah.
हमने बच्चों को दे दिया हो गया. No, convert the trash into a teaching aid. You have so much of trash lying at home. So
Right.
that is when I realized I converted all the teaching aids, trash from the teaching aid, use the learning,
Yeah.
combine it into the skills and the pedagogy and all the lesson plans, and I fused these things. So
Yeah.
unless that is the time, now is the time parents are needed to be educated that you have so much unwanted resources lying at home.
Yeah.
Convert it into teaching aids. Don't buy expensive things. You may have money, but the child doesn't want money.
Make them resourceful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
become resourceful rather than wailing away your time on
Yeah.
gossiping on phone.
Ordering everything.
Use that
Yeah.
time. The child wants 15 minutes of your time. He doesn't want anything. That 15 minutes is more for a child to pick up the learning. So sit with the child, give him 15 minutes. 15 minutes for him, it is one day, 15 minutes.
It's amazing, ma'am, and we can clearly see how passionate you are about this, and
Definitely.
because of your energy. So please tell us, how do you engage with such young kids, because it's so difficult to control one, let's say, nephew or niece of that age, but you're so passionate about this after 24 years. What's the mojo or the reason behind it?
Like, for example, when you say you have a 3 or 4 year old kid at home and all the time you're giving him the phone, how much time can you give the child a phone? 1 hour, 2 hours? And at the same time, giving the phone for so much longer time, it is going
Yeah.
to affect his vision pattern. It is going to affect his auditory pattern. He is not able, the mental health levels of the child are being affected because lot of radiation is being exposed to the child. When the fingers are touching the phone, the swiping of the fingers, कुछ ना कुछ तो radiation जाता ही जाता है skin में, because the skin is like very porous. So it absorbs the radiation and that affects the internal system also. And the nerves take up all the sensory motor vibration
Right.
and it gets transmitted to the brain. So that is when the child, the learning gap occurs. So what is the best thing is, if you have a 4-year-old child at home, whatever you want to teach, involve him in the activity at home, involve him on whatever kitchen activity is there. The child loves when he is being able to help you in no matter what. I've seen some parents कि अगर बच्चा खाली if the parent is having a empty teacup in a hand and the child is seeing my father is having an empty teacup but he is busy on the phone, he is not able to keep the teacup, the small child 4-year-old will come and take the teacup and put it on the sink. Isn't that learning or no?
Yes.
It is that learning.
Yeah.
So the school is not going to teach you this. The school is going to just teach you A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, the number names and the fruits names.
Right.
But actual learning happens at home. When you involve the child in the activities at home,
Yeah.
the collaboration from the parents, that is where the real learning takes place. Sit with the child, do activities with the child,
Right.
no matter whether the child is able to participate or not able to participate. But that interaction, that 5 to 10 minutes of interaction is a world for him. My father sat with me, my mother sat with me, and he will say to 10 of his friends. So that shows that the parent and the child are very interested in the learning journey of the child.
Right. Absolutely, ma'am. Wonderful. So, I mean, taking this to a different perspective, if I ask you a question from, let's say, industry perspective, what kind of, technology or tools which are required for, a better preschooling, let's say?
Normally, one thing is, to be very frank and honest, I am not into much of IT and technology.
Right.
Number one is that.
Yeah.
In emergency, it is okay, you can give once in a while. Because now when the lockdown is going to be over in some days,
Yeah.
some months or whatever, the phone is going to be shooed away by all the parents. अब हम फोन दे रहे थे बच्चे को बोल रहे थे बोलो बोलो, बच्चा बोल नहीं रहा था. और स्कूल
अब
में
तो
हम
आदत
बच्चे
पड़
को
गई.
कहते हैं, स्कूल में हम बच्चों को कहते हैं कीप क्वाइट.
इसी से
या
बदला है.
पैंडेमिक में हम बच्चे को बोल रहे थे बोलो, say something, and the child was not able to say because the child is not able to pick up the learning on virtually.
Right.
The teacher is not on par with how to blend the learning virtually. So that is where the lagging is happening. So IT tools are there at home. The technology is there inside a parent. The parent
Correct.
has to remove the technology from inside, use all the brain techniques,
Right, ma'am.
use all the corporate mechanism. तुम अगर corporate में हो तो अपना सारा corporate निकालो, अगर तुम कोई भी sector में हो तो उसको fuse करो.
Right.
No matter even if the child is not interested, थोड़ा बहुत तो interest child लेगा ही लेगा उसी चीज में.
Absolutely.
The learning is going to happen in some way or the other. When you want the child to sit in front of the TV, just watch the TV. He is just watching the TV. But at that moment, if you see very closely, the child is being able to hear the words, the monotony of the word, the vibrations of the words, and that is where the child starts lip sync with the words.
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है कि वो देख रहा है कि नहीं देख रहा है, पर वो लिप सिंक सुन के वर्ड्स उसके दिमाग में जा रहा है. The brain is picking up all the signals. The learning is actually happening. पेरेंट्स को लगता है नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, पर हो रहा है. 99% of learning is happening.
Right.
And that is where the teachers should be able to come to know that you don't need technology over here. I was in a
Right.
school where there was a projector, but it was not non-functional. So
Okay.
we were not
So you're not-
dependent on that.
Okay.
So the
Got it.
technology is inside a parent. There are apps, there are very few apps which are there for the learning, but the parent has to sit with them.
Yeah.
Child cannot be left alone कि चलो अपने आप खेलो. अगर हम बच्चों को बोल देंगे अपने आप खेले के लिए, the
Correct.
child will swipe with his finger and land to such non-existent zones जहाँ हम उनको नहीं भेजना चाहते हैं वहाँ वो चला जाएगा.
Yes.
और हम वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो उधर जाए.
Absolutely.
The phone is there now in every child's hand. What he is seeing, what he is watching, we are not aware. But we
Correct.
want the
We
child
cannot be
not
there
to
all the time.
watch. We cannot stop the child कि ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है. आप अगर किचन में हो, आप फोन देख के बैठे हो, the child what he is watching we don't know.
Right.
हमने तो
Absolutely.
बच्चे को ये काम दिया है, लेकिन बच्चा वो कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, you don't know. The moment you disappear, the child swings to another dimension, and that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
where जहाँ उसको नहीं जाना चाहिए वो वहाँ चला जाता है, and then something unknown he is learning which is not
Absolutely.
age appropriate for him.
So parents.
So
Yes.
I rather not depend on IT and technology. Sit with the child,
Yeah.
start learning to make teaching gets home, start involving the child in household activities, go for a walk, go for a ride. जितने बड़े बड़े साइंटिस्ट हमारे लाइफ में आए, माइक्रोफोन इन्वेंट हुए, कैमरास इन्वेंट हुए,
Absolutely,
वो सब कहाँ से हुए? वो पेरेंट्स के साथ वॉक पे जाते थे सारे साइंटिस्ट,
ठीक
वॉक
बात.
पे जाते थे, वहां से उन्होंने सीखा, वहां से उन्होंने लर्निंग लिया है. That time there was no technology, आज जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी है.
Absolutely, ma'am. So parents need
That
to
is,
be more
yeah,
considerate, more involved,
definitely.
and I mean, taking things from their kids' perspective as well. What to?
Because I have seen most of the parents saying हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो जब तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है, so please don't bring the child in this world. That is what I advise. If you cannot
Absolutely. Be responsible.
if you cannot give 0 years to 6 years of time to the child,
Yeah.
don't do it. Career is important. I'm not
Yeah.
saying we are all going through financial crunches. We are all going through so much of happening in the life outside. We're not able
True.
to make the ends meet. It is required. But बहुत ज़्यादा high aim करोगे तो बच्चा फिर neglect होगा.
But these financial crunches were there all the
It is
time.
going to be there. It is going
Yeah,
to be
it
there.
was
for
there before.
lifelong.
Yeah,
आज
yeah.
है कल नहीं है, 4 साल आएगा फिर
In
नहीं
previous
आएगा.
generations as well. I mean, it was there for
Definitely.
everyone. Correct.
Definitely. Our forefathers survived. Our old generation
On
survived.
peanuts. Yeah.
कैसे उन्होंने 10 बच्चे पाले, 10 siblings they reared up.
Absolutely.
So now
It's amazing.
two children you're not able to bring up and give them healthy education at home. No matter even if you're able to pay 3 lakh fees, your
Yeah.
fees is not more
Your attention is
appreciated.
the real
Yeah.
fees that you
उसके
can give.
बाद भी the parents are cribbing that my child is not able to pick up. I have put him into this class. I have put him
Yeah.
into learning class. What's the use? Save that money. Sit with the child. Get
Absolutely,
15
ma'am.
to 20
You're right.
minutes break with the child. The experiential learning, the project-based learning, everything is going to happen when you sit
Yeah.
with the child. Every night, sit with the child, read a story, convert the mythological characters into a real
Yeah.
life skill characters, blending
You have
all
to
the
put in an
lessons.
effort as a parent.
Definitely.
Absolutely. So I'm taking this conversation, or rather shifting it to you now. Uh, you are a published author, and you have written,
I'm
you
not
have
a publisher, I'm
contributed.
a writer. I'm a writer and editor through a publishing house. Yeah.
Okay, so you have contributed to anthologies, and you have published 5 ebooks as well, right?
Yeah.
So tell us about this role of yours.
So what has happened when my school got closed in March 2020, I was like, मुझे कुछ तो करना है. I'm not going to sit idle.
Yeah.
It was like कहते उड़ती हवा है, वो बैठ तो सकती नहीं एक जगह पे. मुझे कुछ तो करना है.
Very
I
well
was
said.
I was behind my kids. I want to do something. Then suddenly, out of a correction, कभी मैंने Facebook देखा नहीं था. कभी मैंने I didn't have the time to go to the
Yeah.
Facebook and all because I was busy with the school.
Right.
So suddenly I had a phone in my hand 24 hours, and by just surfing through the net and all these things, I landed to a publishing house, that is Impish Labs Publishing House in Mumbai. So there is a CEO, Mrs. Meena Mishra over there. I connected with her.
Yeah.
So I asked her about the books and everything, and I never knew writing, but that was there inside me that I want to write. I
Yeah.
want to make the parents aware. I want to make young learners, next generation aware कि life में क्या होता है, or how you need to come out of all the struggles.
Right.
You should not have that the never giving up spirit से हारना है हमें. चलते जाना है, no matter whatever comes your way, हिम्मत नहीं हारनी है चाहे जो भी हो जाए. So that is the moment when I decided, okay, now I have to start writing books. Then
Yeah.
she started introducing me to other editors who were actually producing the anthologies. So all the dots got connected by one book, second book, third book. I've written for 16 books now.
Okay, that's wonderful, ma'am.
16 books more, and one of them is, I think this is Color My Earth Green. That has
Okay.
my article on education.
That's
That
wonderful.
is about teaching aids and about teacher and all, and how teaching aids help with children, and how you can convert the waste products into valuable resources to teach the children.
Right.
Because she wanted me to write something on my experiences as a teacher. What is lacking in the education system? What needs to be adopted? What the teachers need to be educated on? Because teachers just come to school just for pocket money. उनको पढ़ाने तो आना नहीं, पॉकेट मनी के लिए आना है. So they just want कि चलो हम जाते हैं 4 घंटे पढ़ा के आ जाते हैं.
Right.
But actually the child is not able to pick up the real learning from the teacher, because teachers 1 साल का डिप्लोमा कोर्स कर लेते हैं, हो गया टीचिंग हमारा, हम पढ़ा लेंगे. So in order to cater to a child of 3 years to 8 years, you have to delve down into the psychological pattern of the child.
Absolutely.
So unless you know the psychological aspects of the 5 domains of learning, the 5 senses of learning, you will not be able to pick up the strategies and invent new strategies.
Right.
So then I started writing on different topics. So all my topics are from my real life experiences, you can see.
That's wonderful.
Then I have my book, which I have edited, that is The Third Eye.
Okay, we can see the third eye. Yes.
Yeah,
it's
The
visible.
Third
Yeah.
Eye. The Third Eye, I had 34 writers under me.
Okay, that's wonderful.
34 writers. And this book is about how every human being has a third eye in himself.
Yeah.
वो कहते हैं जब when Lord Shiva opened his third eye, all the evil was washed out. So
it's a very high aim.
Very
yes,
high,
for everyone.
definitely.
Yeah.
Because I am a universal Reiki healer. I have healed more than 100 COVID patients in pandemic.
Wow.
So with
wonderful.
my universal energies. So that is, I have this universal connection with the cosmic energies. And during pandemic, you can say my third eye was open. And that is when I wanted to alert everyone, whether it's a family member, whether it's a person in the corporate sector, office, or in the society, that you all have a third eye. Keep it open all the time.
Right.
Be aware of what is happening around you. Be aware of what people are trying to do against you, what kind of strategies people adopt to lower your self-esteem, your reputation. They don't allow you to climb the ladder of success. They are always on the verge of creating disturbances in your journeys of life. So you have to keep alert, vibrate so higher so that the negative energies are not able to approach you. So the third eye is about that. How you realize that there is something negativity coming towards you, and how you achieve the target, what made you realize, and what were your victory capsules. that after achieving success, what were your victory capsules? कि आज मैं
Speeches,
Mount
captions.
Everest, yes, capsules you can say, because we are dependent on multivitamins for our body.
Okay.
We need to have those multivitamins and supplements. हमारे आसपास भी होते हैं बहुत सारे.
Right.
Take it into your brain. Use your inner voice, your heart as an inner voice too. It is always trying to give you signals. It is always trying to alert you that something wrong is happening. And always believe that your gut instinct is the only real gut instinct that is going to give you right decisions. Nobody is going to give you.
Absolutely,
no friend, no learning is going
no
to
mentor.
give you what your gut instinct is going to give you. So the third eye is about that. So what were your victory capsules? How you climbed the Mount Everest? You climbed the Mount Everest and you are unfurling the flag over there, standing on the top of the mountain. So how the journey from being broken down into pieces, how you brought up the fragments of your pieces, rebuild yourself, overcame the struggles, whatever came into your journey of life, and now you are on the Mount of top Everest and unfurling. And when you climb on the top, always remember to give a hand to the person who is struggling down.
Yeah.
Because तुमने तो वो
That's a wonderful
अचीव कर
thought.
लिया, तुमने तो वो अचीव कर लिया, लेकिन तुम्हारे साथ और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, तो तुम अपने वो सक्सेस को एक अपना वो मान के मत चलो.
Right, ma'am.
अपना हाथ आगे बढ़ाओ, उन्हें भी हेल्प करो. So that is when you say, when you find your way out of a tunnel, always remember to come out with a light so that the others may find their way too.
That's a wonderful thought, and a wonderful, let's say, analogy by giving Mount Everest, that imagery. It's a wonderful place to, I think, end this conversation.
Yes.
And if there is anything that you wanted to talk about, ma'am, you can now.
One thing what I would like to say is we all need to alert the teachers to when we say we need to have a good digital presence also. So
Right.
now what is happening? WhatsApp is very active nowadays.
Yeah.
So the real drawback of WhatsApp is what? चाहे तुम कितने भी बड़े celebrity हो, चाहे तुम कितने भी बड़े post में हो, whatever, no matter whatever your position in life is, there are certain ethics to be followed on WhatsApp also.
Absolutely.
Because people are using the emojis in the wrong way, and that gives wrong signals also.
Correct.
The person on the other side may not be that harsh, but the emoji and the portrayal of the emoji on for the next party on the other side may give a wrong signal to the person.
Yeah.
So that is a drawback in creating disturbances in relationships.
Yeah.
So WhatsApp का knowledge होना भी बहुत जरूरी है आज. We need to start creating knowledge
How to
of
communicate.
Correct. Yes, these are the communication signals that show your personality levels also.
Right.
The person on the other side, what kind of emojis is using. Because nowadays what I have seen is people using the hand emoji बहुत सारे. कुछ भी होता है hand emoji डाल दो. कोई किसी के death का news आ गया hand emoji डाल दो. कुछ अच्छा हो गया hand emoji डाल दो. So hand emoji is not a communication signal for everything.
Right, you have to put in words.
Yeah.
Correct.
Use the emojis in such a way that they are the actual alphabetical languages of the WhatsApp now.
Absolutely, ma'am.
ABC English के है तो जो emojis है हमारे WhatsApp के languages है. Use the emojis in such a wonderful way that you are able to convey your personality is going to be exerted out on the other side also.
Absolutely.
Start using the WhatsApp knowledge and start adopting the 3R module.
Right.
That is reuse, recycle, and redesign. Convert the trash into treasure, and start using your Alexa and use your X factor to come out. We all are unique. We all are smart. That is what I would like to say for everyone.
That's wonderful, ma'am. And if anyone wants to, have, your teaching aid, models and would like to get in touch with you to learn more from you, where can they reach out to you?
They can be in touch with me to my WhatsApp, and they can be in touch. I'm on LinkedIn also.
LinkedIn also.
My LinkedIn
We'll provide the
also,
link
Sonal
in
Jatt.
the description.
They can send me a message also. They can connect with you because I have conducted, I think, 20 workshops of teaching aids.
Yes,
just
absolutely. That's why it's important to,
I can just show you one example of a teaching aid. That is, this is the aquarium made from an Amazon box.
It's not visible, ma'am, because of this virtual background.
Is it okay?
You can switch off the virtual background for a bit.
Okay, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, go ahead. Because it's going to be fun to.
Virtual background.
Because these are fun things. People should, look at this. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, there are fish I can see.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, it's wonderful.
This is an Amazon box we all get at home.
So you create this?
Yeah, I've created an aquarium from this.
Oh, that's wonderful, man.
I have used old pictures from my children's books.
Yeah.
I have hung a string and shows all the sea animals in the aquarium, given the effect of sea animal. When you start teaching a sea concept to the child, so
Yeah.
unless you show them how the aquarium looks like,
Yeah.
you cannot take him to the aquarium. The child, the
Absolutely.
parents may not send you. So this is also a good, wonderful virtual tool also to show the child on screen as well as off screen also.
Absolutely. And we are missing out on such, wonderful
Definitely,
things and
definitely.
experiences because of our
Definitely. So that is
negligence
what
as parents.
I conducted workshops with. I think I had 87 trainees in my workshop.
Wow.
So
Wonderful.
they actually made the teaching aids from all the
Yeah.
trash using the cake bases. The cake
Right.
base should not be thrown off. The pizza base, we order
Yeah.
pizzas. Don't throw away the pizza base. Use them into teaching aid.
Right.
Do you know? Don't throw away the tea bag
If
boxes.
you're not eating them. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That is where the real technique is hidden. You have to
Yeah,
use
you should
your
be resourceful.
resources.
Absolutely, ma'am.
The shapes, the number, the NAP policy is about all these kind of critical thinking, project-based learning. And unless and until you start adopting these kind of techniques, you are not able to come down to the level of the child, and learning will not happen.
Thank you so much,
is what,
Ms.
yeah.
Sonal Judge, for your
Thank you so
time, for your wonderful ideas. I'm sure whoever watches this video is going to learn a lot from it. I hope
Thank
they start giving proper attention to
Thank
their
you
kids
so much.
and
Thank
reach out to
you.
you whenever they want to learn something new.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And thanks to our audience as well. Please let us know what
Thank
you think
you.
of this conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you.